I've decided to do a local walk out to a place called Tempsford Airfield. There's a barn there called Gibraltar Farm, which is a bit of a memorial to the Second World War. So I had a lovely walk yesterday. It was lovely weather, so I thought I'd come out again today, bring my lunch and see if I can find something interesting. Oh, I hope it warms up a bit. It's only about 9:45 in the morning. So loads of like little, I don't know whether they're like little pigsty type buildings around here. There's another one over there. Can't get to this one to have an idea. I can hear the peacocks up at the farm though. Good morning. Hi. You're gorgeous. Breakfast time. So I'm supposed to be going off to the left here, but I'm just going to do a little detour. I've seen one of those little pig shack things down here that I think you can get to. Last time I came on here it was so muddy, it was ridiculous. You can see where it's dried, how muddy it was. It was a quarter mile on here. It was like the world's biggest mistake the day that I came on here when it was like that. I wonder, I can only think, I don't know, what was it for? Was it for storing something in, or was it for pigs? There's a tree growing out the end of it. I love exploring things. Just makes walks so much more interesting. Peacocks. Don't know if you could hear them, they're so noisy I couldn't live at that farm with them. Right, I'm going in. Oh, so there was a big spider hanging from the top. Literally growing out the sunbeam. Back at the little junction where I should have gone left. So this is actually part of the, I think it's the Greensands Ridge walk. Yeah, Greensands Ridge. And this is Hazel's Hall, which you're not allowed into. But I really, really want to walk up that road and just see what's up there. Better not. So we'll carry on down here. Yeah, it's an old Roman road. I'm not sure if it's got a name. Probably have to look that up later. And I'm not too sure where it runs from and to. But hopefully it shouldn't be too muddy down here. Got a soul around us, how I like it. Puddle's actually like a little pond. Can you see see that little, is it like a little bug in there? A gateway that says no public right of way, because it immediately makes me want to go through it. That's amazing. Currently being watched by a couple of cats. Oh, there's cats everywhere. They just look like babies. I've just come up to a farm now. There must be kittens. Wow, they have the tiny lives playing in this place. But there's mice everywhere. So I've been walking for about 2.5 miles now. Just reached Tempsford Airfield. So this airfield was used in the 1940s during the Second World War. I think it was opened in 1940, 1941, and by about 1947 it had been closed. But it's remained intact, and just up there, I don't know if you can see, over there is Gibraltar Barn, which is where we're heading for. It's actually really quite big. I think it's part of a farm, I think now. Gibraltar Farm. They've got their hay bales or whatever they are down there. I hope there's nobody here and I've got the place to myself. That'd be nice. I've been here before, but it's quite a long time since the last time. It must be, God, pre-COVID actually, so about 4 years. So I'm not sure. I think I need to go in down here. Looks like I could be on my own. It should be amazing. Got it to myself. or you can hear the birds singing. It's really sad to see all these pictures though of everybody that sacrificed their lives basically for us in the war, just so we can have our freedom, which a lot of people unfortunately don't seem to appreciate these days. I sound really old saying that, don't I? Decided it's time for a coffee. I was going to have lunch here, but I think it's only just before 12 o'clock, so it's a bit early. So I'll just have a coffee instead. And I've lost my spoon. My rucksack's not actually that big. I can never blimmin' find anything in it. Thank you for your hospitality, Barn. It was so lovely. The whole time I was there, not a soul arrived. Not quite sure where I'm going now, so I need to have a little look on my OS Maps app. But heading towards somewhere called Woodbury Hall now. And here's the source of all the noise I've been hearing. We're going off up here. So this is where I started, was all the way over there, and we've walked down there, and then we're going to go all the way up here and across this way and back. Fork in the road. This is what I hate, but that one says private, so I think we're going to head down here. See other people coming this way. Definitely on the right path. Really lovely out here, but the phone just doesn't do it justice. Something in the path up there, it looks quite big. Don't think you can see on here. I don't know if it's a pheasant. Yeah, I think it is. Little gateway into the woods. Oh my god, there's a hare. Can't see it. It's running down the path. Oh, I wish this camera zoomed in more. Oh, it's just gone into the bushes. So I've been naughty and I've nipped in behind the gate. I feel really naughty going in there. zoom in anymore. See him go. Look at him go. I feel really lucky that I just saw that. It's actually made my morning. I've not even had lunch yet. I remember telling the time with dandelion clocks when you were a kid. Well, we did anyway. You'd pick them, blow them, and however many times it took to blow all the little seeds away was whatever o'clock it was. So need a proper camera or better phone or something. There's a kestrel hovering now. I just can't get it on here. So I'm a bit hungry. I think I need to find somewhere to stop and eat something. But there's houses up. There's a bit of a hill ahead, I think, and there's houses up the top. So I don't really want to wait till I get up there and be sitting in somebody's house. I might just stop here. There's a little bit of grass here. Quite nice views to look at. See over in the distance, Everton Church is over there. Probably can't see very well. So I've got my little sit mat. It's quite good actually. I think it costs about £5 if we can go outdoors. It wasn't expensive, and they're so handy if there's wet grass. Don't get a wet bum. And then I have a sandwich and a dry bag just in case my flask leaks, because that's happened before and it is not nice having soggy sandwiches. Bit of cheese and ham and pickle. This is my staple picnic sandwich. I don't know why, I just love them. So I can hear a pheasant while I'm sitting here. Over in that field somewhere. It doesn't sound very far away. God, I feel like a right wildlife. Not an expert, don't know anything about wildlife. I feel like I'm getting old. I'm really into nature now. I love going out for a walk, clearing my head. Can't beat it. Don't know what it is about fresh air at the moment. Wonder how crushed my tortilla crisps are. They've normally turned to dust by now. They're not too bad. So lunch got interrupted by a massive tractor coming down the track. So I'm sat right at the bottom of the track. I don't know if you can see, I can't see what I'm looking at the moment because of the sun. But yeah, I thought I'd better move before I got squashed. I should get a job as a farmer. Must be quite peaceful. Bloody hard work though. Am I allowed to swear? Probably not. Farmer only went round the outside of his field, but it reminded me, I think there's a new series of Clarkson's Farm coming on soon. It's actually getting really warm now. I might have to take my jacket off. That means I go into sports mode. By the way, sports mode is literally me in a vest top. But knowing me, I'll be putting my coat back on in about 10 minutes time because I'll be cold. I'm always cold. Just enjoy it while I can. Just checked my OS maps again just to make sure I'm heading in the right direction, which I am. But there's a gate up here. I'm hoping good job. Somebody put a dirty great big sign up to tell us what way to go. Got to say the cones do spoil the view a little bit. Oh, that is proper gouged crater mud. Here. I don't want to come up here when it's raining. Blimey. Quite a nice view from up here already. Okay, so uphill in the mud. Nice. That's proper mud. Look at that. There's no way I'd go down there. You'd be up to your knees in it. Nice little bit of Bluebellage. Top. It's always worth going up the hill for the view, so I hope this is the case here. Maybe not. Somebody always loses something. Can't work out if that's a glove, a sock or a tiny hat. It's got to be a glove, hasn't it? Very abandoned number 11. Is that the number of the house that's in the private land, or a gate number? Who knows? I'm 11 miles into my walk. No, I am actually 4.5 miles into my walk. Oh wow. Look at this. It's a total Bluebell world. Oh my God. Pheasant alert. Yeah, again, I can't zoom in, but he is, if you can see my finger, up there. If I walk, he'll probably just leg it. Yep, we still can't see him. This is definitely poop zone. Do not stand under here, as I'm doing. So I think I need to go through here now. they're going, I hope. I am so glad that these markers exist. I'm also very glad that there are cows in this field and no bulls. So I think this is Woodbury Hall. It's very nice anyway, I wouldn't mind living there. Nice big driveway up to it. These pretty cottages, like estate houses. Gorgeous. Look at the windows. So nice. Down at the village now. This is the church. This is Everton. This is the church I can see from down in the bottom area. It's got little flags on the top. It's the village now. Nice little houses. Glad I found the path off the main road. Homeward bound. Oh, little bench to sit on, have a coffee maybe. Back to Cat Farm down the hill where all the bales of hay are. My lucky day, another hare. What is that noise? Is it birds? Let's stop now. I can see like, oh, little partridges. Shot back in. So I'm looking for a deer. But I'm being watched by a peacock. He's doing his display for the peahen. She's not impressed though, she's walking away. really lovely walk this afternoon. I think I've been out for about at least 6 hours. That's like nearly a full day's work, but I've really enjoyed it and I can't wait to get out again. As you can see, the jacket went back on, the sun disappeared, but it was nice while it lasted. Anyway, hope my video was okay for first. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.